folks, here it is. Jeep Gladiator. Dude. I think this is my dealership's first one, I believe. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Oh yeah, I got the Rubicon Fox Racing shocks. Man, these things are so cool. They're so freaking long. I mean, this son of a gun is the size of a full-size Ram. I mean, lengthwise. That's some good-looking tow hooks and a tow package. Yeah, this is a pretty cool truck. I think they will sell a lot of these. Wish I could do a interior and a test drive video for you guys, but they is closed. Let me get out of the reflection, see if we can see a little bit. Can't see much, sorry about that. But there's other people that's got better reviews of the inside and all that good stuff. But I saw this one sitting here and I just had to get a peek. I can't see up there. I guess it's just hard removable top. This is awesome. The thing is though, when are they gonna put some freaking motor in this thing? Ooh-wee. They think a lot of it. I mean, the 3.6 is not terrible. It's a great engine. It was a great engine in my freaking Town and Country minivan. But I just don't think it's a great engine for this. They need to put the Hemi in this. Why not put the Hemi in this? Sorry guys, can't see much. It's black leather with red stitching. Man, that's nice. So nice. What's it say here on the hinge? 1901 maybe? No, T50? I can't tell. Is that something? I don't know my Jeeps very well, so that may be Jeep code for something. Like the little sliding rear window up there, that's kind of cool. Let's see what underneath looks like. I'll just go ahead and ruin my white shirt. Oh yeah, we got skid plates, baby. Not sure if you can see anything, but I'm trying. Man, this thing is so cool. I love it. So cool. Alright. I guess it's the 2020 Gladiator. Little walk around. Peace.